Oh, hi, what do you buy? Okay, let me see. Okay. Red tinted lip balm. Let me scan it. Okay. This is our limited edition. How do you find it? Oh, okay. Caroline. Okay. This is our favorite. And if you want to change the color, you can just do that. And it's okay. And then, okay, this is one, two, and okay, this is, if you find this, you're going to have it for free. If you not find this like that, so sorry, you cannot have it, and you cannot have it free. You can have this free. How look, just hear how satisfying to tap it. Just use this if you want to do ASMR, just use this. And this, unlike this, but it's all yours now. What do you want on swat? I swat? Okay. Let me just careful to open it. Maybe it's going to be destroyed. Some tiny bit. If you remove it to the bag, it will be ruined. It feels like the in real life it's not like that light. It's not like that light in the it's in real life it's not like that light, and in camera it look like blood. Okay, let me show you. You love it? Okay. Pay up. Thanks.